Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a good trader. So be smart about the way you're trading. Also, grab a free trial right now to do a brand new Master Trader Lab monthly. We're going to learn every single month. You'll be learning techniques to help you become a much better trader. Click on the first link in the description below right now. It is going to the downside. And so until that happens, you're fighting the market because the market is going. The market that we have more selling sign in the markets overall than that. So your thoughts is that may happen, but do you realize in 2008 when the whole thing when the whole market came down in 2008, you realize gold went down as well too, right? People don't realize this. So when we're looking at gold here, you know, will gold pull back when the stock market pulls back? People say no because it's a hedge. You know, well, let's actually go back. Let me go back to say my gold chart here for a minute. And let me bring up, say, a monthly here so I can go back in time to 2008. Let me take everything off the screen here. This is the GLD here. But look at this here, right? Look what happened here. Yes, gold did go for a run at the start of 2007. But look at this here. We actually had a pullback. So a lot of people saying, well, gold's going to go up because the stock market's going to go down. Well, the stock market went down in 2008. And so did gold. So if you're thinking, you know, if you're thinking, well, gold's definitely going to go up because what's happening in the markets as a hedge, don't have a blatant statement on that because it may not be the case. It may be, again, we don't know. But if you're saying, well, this is what everyone's telling me right now, so it must be true, so therefore I'm going to get into it. Yes, we did get a bit of a run, but we got a pullback through there. Okay. Yes, we did get a bit of a run, and the same for silver as well too. What did we get on silver? Look at silver, right? Silver got absolutely hammered. Like, yes, it did go for a bit of a run 2007, but look what happened with silver. Like, silver actually, it ran up to start of 2008, and then it got hammered lower than it did for the last couple of years, and then we went for a bit of a bull run. So if you know, people say, you know, gold and silver is going to go up because the stock market's going to crash. The stock market and gold and silver can come down together. So please don't be placing trades based on gold right now because you think gold's going to explode because the stock market's going to crash. Because that may not be the case. Again, we don't know what's going to happen. That's why you always want to just trade what you see, not because you think or hope that the stock market's going to crash so gold and silver are going to explode. So as I said before, right now, right, people saying right now when it comes to gold right now. Okay, when it comes to gold. Yeah, when it comes to this is the silver right now. When it comes to silver and also gold as well, right? People are thinking right now as I speak that when we're looking at gold, people think, oh, well, gold's going to go up now because it's going to be a hedge. To me, when I'm looking at that, this is all I see, right? Actually, let me actually bring up the gold chart itself. Here we go. Here, this is the gold chart itself. So if the stock market's going to start to see a big move down in 2009, we could see a move down. We could see a move down in gold as well too. Right, guys? So please don't be putting a blatant statement on this by saying, and you know, I don't want you to be getting into gold right now because you're hearing people saying gold's going to explode because blah, 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 blah. It's like, guys, look at the facts for what it really is. Right now, what I'm seeing on gold right now, what do I see on gold right now? Is I'm seeing the gold making a lower low. This could be some sort of lower high through here. And if the stock market is going to go see a bit of recession in 2019, we could also see a bit of a pullback in gold as well too. And then we might see a bit of a run to the upside. So please protect yourself, guys. Question everything you see. Look at the truth. Okay, if the stock market's going to crash, does that mean silver and gold are going to crash? Or the silver and gold are going to get pulled back? Please protect yourselves, guys. Be smart about the way you're trading these markets. And as you can see, right, everything is in the charts. If the stock market is going to crash, if the stock market's going to have a bit of a pullback in 2000, you know, right now, then gold and silver can pull back with it. Okay, guys? That's why you always want to trade what you see, not what you think, hope, or fear. Always trade based on what you see, not what you think, hope, or fear. Because gold right now, we could be this right now. We create a lower low. This could be just a significant rally to hit the resistance, And then overall, we could be getting a pullback with the stock market this year. So I hope you can see this, guys, okay? I hope you can see. This is the reason why I always say the truth are in the charts itself, not these indicators or not these. And guys, question everything. Question the things that I tell you, or I tell you the truth, because I've been through hell and back with these markets, guys. And that's the reason why I sit here and talk to you about this here. But don't be putting blatant statements on everything that you see in these markets. Don't be putting blatant statements on everything that you hear in these markets, or or out there in YouTube, because it can lead you down the wrong path. It can lead you down the absolute wrong path in the markets, and it's just like, oh well, again, don't look at me as the expert. I've just learned the simple things to focus on in the markets. Don't look at anyone else as the expert. Look at the charts, learn how to read the charts, and then question it. Okay, if that is true. All right, if that is true, then, if that is true, then let's actually go check out the facts here. So yeah. As you know, the trading is not an easy thing, right? There's so many areas you need to know in order to become a really, really good trader. You've got the foundations, you've got the chart reading techniques, you've got the trading systems, and also you've got the mindset and so much more that goes into becoming what I call a master trader. So I've created a program called the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be releasing brand new trainings and help you understand all of the foundations, the chart reading strategies, the mindset techniques, everything that goes into becoming a really, really good trader. And I'm giving away a free trial right now for the grand opening, and also I'm giving you a kickstart bonus package as well, the foundation to a successful trader, the chart reading techniques and the advanced chart reading techniques, millionaire trader mindset, and a bonus package as well too. This is for the grand opening of the Master Trader Lab Monthly. Click on the very first link in the description below right now to claim your free trial right now.